This is a personal experience story of how I quit trading 3 times I started my forex journey in 2020. So ultimately, I've been trading for over 4 years now. So I started trading during the lockdown, getting up to now 2024, and it's been a very rough journey. But this is my experience. In 2020, everybody was at home, so I found forex trading and I started funding my trading through different investments I had and digital marketing services I was offering at the time, majorly from my crypto investments at the time. It was a very rocky journey in 2020, I wasn't gonna lie. So many highs, so many lows, because I was learning and I was really enjoying the process. After making a good amount of money, instead of going to withdraw, I said no, I want to scale this up to a higher amount, because if you check social media at the time, everybody was doing crazy numbers and stuff. So I wanted to be like, part of that gang and show people like, yeah, we'll see my profit and all. But ultimately, I lost everything. I withdrew the last amount in the account and just bought clothes and stuff at home. This was towards the end of 2020, like around October 2020. So coming back into forex, I came back middle of 2021. Because during that month, I started trading and I lost everything else. So I didn't even make a single penny during that era. So I just left and I'm like, why did I even come back? This was a very bad idea. Fast forward to 2022, middle of 2022. This is something that keeps on happening. I come back to trading in the middle of the year. I don't know why that is. Maybe the market always volatile during that time and I get attracted to it. So I came back in the middle of 2022, tried trading and all, testing my strategy again in the demo account, seeing how trading was going. It was going very fine, and I even got to mentor some people and all, and I was doing very good then. But after some time, I was just trading once in a while, not really trading. So ultimately, I would say I quit trading at that time. But my friends and some other people, they were really motivating me to come back into trading, that like I don't post my analysis as much again. Then because I was focused on a lot of things, trying to scale up in different aspects of my life. And but what actually caught my attention in 2023, I mostly trade the synthetic indices market, and the markets that I started trading then in 2020, I started trading synthetic indices as a new trader at the time. There's a movement that I saw in one of the most popular synthetic indices, VIX 75. In 2020, VIX 75 was in a range in the daily time frame. So when price gets to a certain level in the daily time frame, people short the market. When price gets to a certain level, people long the market. So that was how people were making money then in 2020. It was crazy. Just shorting and longing, just like that. People were making thousands. But I wasn't well equipped at the time, so I didn't make as much money and I ultimately lost a lot. I saw this happening again in 2023. The range that I saw it happening again in 2023. I had to call some of my guys like, yo, this stuff that happened 3 years ago is happening now again. Let's scale in. So that was how I came back fully, 100%, to capitalize on what was happening, since past data had shown that this thing has happened before and it was happening again. With my guys, it was very basic. Once price has bought to a certain level, we look for a shift in structure on the lower time frame and we short the market. Once price sells to a particular level, we look for a shift in structure and long the market. Very basic, very easy. That's what we're doing, and I really scaled up. Before coming back fully into forex market, early 2023, I was just touching gold here and there because gold was moving very well at the time, and I think the Ukraine war started not too long around that time. So the market was in a very good place with gold. But coming back into forex, I came back fully with synthetic indices. Most of the time now, trading the forex markets, I just look for swing trades. That has been the best for me so far, just taking swing trades on the forex market. So on the synthetic indices, I just day trade there and make some profit. So yeah, that was how I quit forex briefly on 3 different occasions. So what's different this time around? I'm more locked in, more focused, willing to grow. The work that has to be done to be in the 5%, I had to do all those work. Because there are some things you see in life that I'm like, man, I don't want to do this thing. But you know deep down, if you do that thing, you're going to be successful and you're going to be at the top. So today, that work that you're trying to avoid, do it. Just do it and let your fear take control. Because if you don't have fear, it's not worth doing.